That loud crack you hear when you pop your knuckles isn't your bones snapping, it's actually tiny bubbles exploding inside your joints. For real, your skeleton is way sturdier than it sounds. Inside your joints, a slippery fluid keeps everything moving smoothly. When you stretch or bend, the pressure changes and microscopic gas bubbles form and then burst, creating that familiar cracking sound. Scientists used high-speed cameras to prove it. What we hear is just the sound of bubbles popping, not bones grinding or breaking. It's totally normal and not a sign you're hurting yourself. So next time you freak out about those joint noises, remember, your bones are just fine. It's your body making its own little symphony, one bubble at a time.